Hey guys, Craig here. I'm going to show you real quick how to use QWIKboard with Discord. You just click on, you open up Discord and you're in a video channel, voice channel, whatever it is, a thread, and you click on screen. And right now I have QWIKboard running in a Firefox browser, so I'm just going to select that and go live. And you can see it up here. Take my iPad with my pen, my pencil, and I can circle things, I can draw, and it all gets updated real time. Now I can also take that URL in the QWIKboard browser, Firefox browser, and paste it here, so that anybody on that channel that's listening or viewing can click on that link, and they can also interact with this, right, or use their iPad to do it. It's that simple. That's how you do it. Have fun with it.